Areas outside Metro Manila have also declared a state of emergency due to floods.
Areas outside Metro Manila were not spared by the wrath of Typhoon Karina and Habagat. Cavite City implemented a forced evacuation in 5 coastal barangays. Almost 2,000 families were transferred to higher areas. Due to heavy rains, flooding, and high tide, the city has been placed under a state of calamity.
Na mas importante maging ligtas ang kanilang pamilya kaysa na siguraduhin nilang protektahan ng kanilang mga bahay. Sa ngayon, ang buhay ng tao ang ating mas pinahahalagahan.
Nearby province Batangas has also declared a state of calamity due to widespread flooding. In Laguna, a wall of a subdivision in San Pedro fell down due to the flood waters.
Sinisisi ng mga nakatira, mga residente roon, yung pagtayo ng warehouse dun sa kabila. Nakita ko nga kanina, inikot ko, nakita ko talaga yung dating tinuturo nilang dinadaanan ng tubig na tinambakan na ng mga debris. Kaya yung tubig, gumawa na ng ibang dadaanan.
Some vehicles were seen being swept away as flood waters raged through the houses. In Barangay San Antonio, around 10 families were evacuated. Meanwhile, over 100 flights were canceled due to the inclement weather. For News 5, Marian Enriquez, We Are One News.
Naku, wala yatang nakaligtas dun sa mga pagbabaha niyan. We've seen a lot of videos yesterday through reports and also social media na galing din sa mga reliable sources na yung mga, let's say for example, yung wall sa may Ateneo na nasira ng baha, na dumire-diretso sa isang subdivision. At yung ano din, yung issue dito sa Metro Manila, yung flooding here sa Metro Manila na actually several senators and other environmental advocates are actually kumbaga sinisisi itong mga pagbabaha na ito sa mga reclamation activities dyan sa Manila Bay.
Oh, yeah.
Oo, sige, go ahead.
But no.